let's we start the class. We are learning the question tag. What is question tag? Okay, write the title question tag. Question tag. Okay. So in the exam, there will be a question on this. It is for 1 mark. The question tag. We have to tag the question as we tag the friends on Facebook. As we tag the friends on Facebook, like that we have to tag the question in exam. I'll tell you and give you simple examples of the question tags, and then we improve it. How to convert the sentence into the question tag. Okay. So what is the question tag? Question tag, it means to make the question type. It is we call yes no type. It is we call the yes no type question. Suppose I am saying he is a boy. Is he? Is he? It is the answer of yes and no that we can say. Yes, he is a boy. No, he is not boy. Okay, so question tag, it means what? The yes no type answer that we can give after making the question tag. Getting? Let's we see how we can make the question tag. Here is one example. Write this example please, and then we'll solve it. Was it? Yes. Write down the example. They are students. They are students. Full stop. It is very simple sentence. It is very simple sentence. How we can make the question tag of it? Just see there. Here is we are making the question tag. At very first we have to identify the sentence. It is the present tense. It is the present tense, and it is the auxiliary verb. I write here auxiliary verb, and it is the subject. So I write here yes, it is subject. So the first rule is that we have to write the sentence as it is in question tag. So write the sentence as it is in question tag. They are students. They are students. The sentence is there as it is. Then remove the full stop and put there comma. Remove the full stop and put there comma. After this, here is the auxiliary verb are. So we have to write there are as it is. Are. And the next rule is there. The next rule is there. The sentence is in positive. It is in positive form. So when we face the sentence is in positive form, then we have to make the question tag negative. So we have to use there aren't, are not, aren't. Then the sentence is about they. So we have to write there they as it is there. They. And after this we have to put there question mark. Okay? So to this we call it question tag. To it we can call it question tag. Getting? Yes. The example is very simple. We can understand. They are students, and we are making the question tag of this sentence. It is they are students, aren't they? because this sentence is in positive. Let's we see the negative sentence. Example number 2. You write please. We are not farmers. We are not farmers. We are not farmers. Okay. So this sentence is in negative form because not is there. Getting? This sentence is in negative form. Sumit, it is in negative form. So when we see the sentence in negative form, then we have to transform it into the question tag as in positive. At very first we have to write the sentence as it is in question tag. So write the sentence as it is. We are not farmers. We have to remove the full stop and then we have to put the comma. So put there comma. Here is are not. So we have to make there are we. We just have to remove the not because we have to make the positive question tag. The sentence is negative form. So we have to make the question tag positive. So right there are we and then we have to put the question mark. Getting? We have seen two examples. The one example is in positive form, another one example is in negative form. When we see the positive sentence, so we have to make it into the negative question tag. Getting? When we face the negative sentence, then we have to make it into the positive form. Okay? There will be the different tense in this. Okay, according to it, we have to just change. We have to change the auxiliary form. Then we have to make the question tag. Getting? Let's we see when the auxiliary verb will not present in a sentence. Then what we can use? Suppose there is not a auxiliary verb in a sentence. Then what we can use it? Let's see how we can use it. How we can make the question tag when we not see the auxiliary form in a sentence. The first example is there. You please write. We play cricket. It is common example and very easy to understand. We play cricket. There is not auxiliary verb. Is there auxiliary verb? No, it is not there. There is main verb. It is main verb. It is the subject. Getting? So when we see this type of sentences and when we want to transform this sentence into the question tag, then the first rule is we have to write the sentence as it is. So write the sentence as it is. We play cricket. Then we have to remove the full stop and we have to put the comma. Now we have to use their to do form because there is not auxiliary verb. In which tense the sentence is? It is in present. So with the we, which to do form that we can use? We do. No? We do. So do is there. But this sentence is in positive. This sentence is in positive form. And our rule is saying that when we see the positive sentence, then we have to make the negative question tag. So we have to write don't. Because it is the positive. and we are making the negative question tag. Don't we? Then question mark. Okay? When we see the negative, then we have to make it positive. Let's see the negative. They dance on a stage. They dance on a stage. They dance. When we see this sentence, then we have to make this sentence into the negative form. Sorry, it is in positive, so we have to make it again negative. But when this sentence we see in negative form, like they do not dance. Okay, I write here in negative form. Again. Okay, we'll make it first the question tag, then we'll see next sentence is in negative. They dance on a stage. We have to write the sentence as it is. They dance on a stage, comma, then don't they? Don't, and then question mark. Getting? Any problem?
No.
Uzeb?
No, sir.
Saifullah, Sumit, Uday, Prajwal. Is there any problem? Mahi, Ankita, Mayuri. Okay. Now these sentences are in positive form, and we made the negative question tag. Getting? Let's we see the negative sentence without auxiliary verb, and then how we can make it into the question tag. Let's see. Will you give me the negative sentence? Tell me. They are not teaching. Next we take the continue form. They are not teaching. They are not teaching. It is the sentence continue form. It is in continue form. When we transform this sentence or trying to transform this sentence into the question tag, then how we can make it? We have to write the sentence as it is there. We have to write the sentence as it is there. Getting? Write the sentence as it is. They are not teaching. They are not teaching. They are not teaching. Then we have to remove the full stop, and then we have to put the comma. Write the comma. Put their comma. Now see. Are they? Because auxiliary verb is there. Are they? Are they? Now, second sentence that yes. Oh, Krishna wanted. Krishna wanted 10 rupees. Huh? So there is not auxiliary verb. Is there auxiliary verb? No, there is only main verb. And Krishna, it is the proper noun. With the proper noun, what we can do? To form. At very first, we have to write the sentence as it is. So write the sentence as it is. Krishna wanted, and this sentence is in which tense? Past tense. Krishna wanted 10 rupees. Krishna wanted 10 rupees, comma, didn't he? Did, this is the past form of do. Did, this is the past form of do. So that's why we have to put there did. And this sentence is in positive. So we have to make the negative form. Didn't he? Why he? Because he is referring to the Krishna. Get it? You write there. Didn't he? And question mark. Do not speak last. If you have any problem about this, then you can ask. Otherwise, don't talk, please. Now, is there a problem? We made the question tag in negative form because this sentence is in positive form and the auxiliary verb is not there, so we use to do form. Okay?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Now, those students who have problem or confusion, any confusion about this topic, then you may please ask. You may please ask. Is there any problem about to-do forms? When we use to-do form, okay, let's see how we can use the to-do form. Present tense, do and does. It is in present tense. In past tense it is did. Getting? When we see the proper noun, at that time we have to use the particular to-do form. If the sentence is coming present tense, then we have to use the present to-do form. If we face the tense or sentence is in past tense, then we have to use the to-do form of past. Okay? We'll stop. Tomorrow in next class we'll practice the question tags. Okay? We'll stop. If any doubt or question about this, then you can ask. Otherwise, we'll declare the class is over. Okay, the class is over.